What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm so incredibly excited to be showing you what's in this package right here. This is the largest silver unboxing that I have ever done, so let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, then subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing. It is the largest silver unboxing that I have ever done my entire life. So let's break open this package here. I'll show you what I got, and we will take a look at it together because I actually am not entirely sure what is in here. So let's break it open and start sliding it out. I will tell you there's definitely over 100 ounces of silver in here, so quite a bit of silver. As we can see, we already got a tube and an encapsulated buffalo. We got a little 9 fine mint bar there, but let's just get all this dumped out and then we can go over it together. Got some big 10-ounce bars. That's always exciting. Got another tube in there. Okay, I think that's it. So, wow, quite a bit of silver, and we very rapidly unboxed it. But that's okay. Why pull out everything one piece at a time when you can just throw it all out in one big pile? Okay, I just looked through the box, nothing else in there. It does look like one of the 10-ouncers came out of the little piece of plastic in transit, but I'm not too worried about that. First up, let's look at the big 10-ounce bars, I suppose, and then we'll go over the smaller stuff. Wow, this is a lot in here. Okay, so this one right here, it's the OPM, I believe that's Ohio Precious Metals bar. It's 10-ouncer. And we'll say that I bought all of this for around 29 cents over spot per ounce. So spot was around 17 bucks, so all this was around 17.29 per ounce. So a pretty cool bar here. I'll show you the other side. So that's a nice 10-ouncer. Those are good for stacking. A lot of people like to be stacking the 10-ounce bars. Then there's this one here. This is the Sunshine Minting, 10 ounces. I don't know if this one has the Mint Mark SI. Oh, it does. Check that out. Very cool. So the Mint Mark SI, that's this little circle here in the middle. You got to use your verifier to see if this is real. So actually, that's not a bad idea. Let me snag my verifier and then we'll test that bar right now and we'll see if it's real. Okay, so I finally found it. That took me forever to find. But basically how this works is you use this little piece of plastic, you put it over here, and then we can see if this is legitimate. Should say valid right in the middle. See that there? V-A-L-I-D, valid. So this is real. It's a real bar. That's one of the nice things about buying these Sunshine minting products with the SI Mint Mark is you can just check them real quick, and then the other test is you put it on, this way, I believe, to see the sun. You see the sun in there? There's a little sun right in the middle, so pretty cool. Anyway, so that one's real. The rest of the stuff to test to see if it's real, I'd have to do either specific gravity testing, or you could do weight testing, or there's a bunch of other ways to test it. But let's look at this piece here, the other 10-ounce. It is the silver gold bowl, I believe. Build your wealth in ounces. And I think this was a spot deal that they offer. Show you this side. Yep, silver gold bowl up at the top. So 10 ounces of 3/9 fine silver. Very cool. So we have 3 of the 10-ounce bars that we've now added. That's pretty sweet. Let's take a look at the other bars. So that's 30 ounces right there. And that's a, pretty compact way to store 30 ounces of silver, not gonna lie. So these ones here are 5 ounce, and they are the Sunshine Minting as well. They do have the SI verifier on the back, so we could do that same method to make sure these are all real. I'm not gonna test them all in this video, but we got 1 of those, 2 of those, 3, And we have one that's out of the plastic for, you know what, let's do a quick test on the one out of the plastic. Why not? Let's see if the valid comes up. Yep. You can, it's actually kind of hard to see, but there you go. That's a little better. Valid. There you go. So that one's legitimate as well. So that's 20 ounces in 5 ounce bars. So that brings us to 50 ounces right there. Just right there, 50 ounces of silver. That's a good amount of silver. Crazy. Now we have these little 1 ounce bars as well. Sunshine minting. Pretty sweet. Those also have the little verifier on the back. So how many we got? We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's all the bars. And then there's this one. We'll open that one up. We'll show you what that one is. But so that's, let's see, 56 ounces in bars plus this one. These are kind of cool. It's the 9 fine mint 5 troy ounce bars. They're kind of an interesting shape, but I'm just going to break it out so I can show you what they look like. So here you go. Whoops, there you go. These are kind of cool pieces. Some people like to stack these. They've got a little bit of a premium, but not really. They're still considered generic in my mind. So 5 troy ounces, $9.99 fine silver. This is a machine poured. So here you go. Interesting piece. Okay, so that's 61 ounces total in bars. Now we do have a lot of rounds here. I'm pretty sure these are all considered generic rounds. These ones are the RMC, Republic Metals Corporation rounds. And yeah, this is what they look like on the other side. I'm not sure why these are all encapsulated. I'm probably going to break them out of the capsules. And then we have the Buffaloes. These are a favorite among stackers. So pretty cool. Generic rounds. United States of America. 1 ounce, 3/9 fine silver. These are probably made by Sunshine or, I don't know, some other private mint. And so let's see how many we have of these in capsules. I would not recommend putting generic rounds in capsules. This seems like kind of overkill, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 10 there. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got 20. So 20 ounces of generic in capsules. That brings us up to, what is that? 81 ounces. And then we have these tubes. This is a tube of 20, and these are tubes of 10. So we should have 121 ounces total. Let me open these and I'll show you what are in those, because I actually don't even know myself. So let's get this one open here. Looks like Buffaloes. So another favorite among stackers. Yep, this is just a whole tube of Buffaloes. There we go. So 10 more Buffaloes. Whoops. And then this one here. Oh, these are the SD bullion ones. That's kind of cool. So we got 3/9 fine silver, SD bullion, 1 troy ounce. So these are all the SD bullion pieces. There you go. Liberty and freedom. Really cool. So 10 of these. And I always put a link in the description to SD bullion, their deals page. They've got some great stuff. If you haven't checked them out, definitely check out my link down below, sdbullion.com/dragons, for some cool deals on their website. I love buying from them. They're the 3rd largest bullion dealer in the United States of America, and they do have free shipping on orders over 99 bucks. So that's really cool. Love SD bullion. And then we got last tube of 20 here, which will bring us up to a total of 121 ounces. So pretty big purchase. And these are, oh, is that like a reverse proof Buffalo? Those are kind of cool. That's what it looks like to me. Wow, I think that says RMC at the bottom. Yeah, Republic Metals Corporation. These are really cool looking Buffaloes. I don't think I've seen these before. 1 troy ounce, 3/9 fine silver. So they put a little bit extra work into the generic rounds. But looks like a whole tube of those. Yep, a whole tube of reverse proof Buffaloes. So there you go. There's 121 ounces of silver unboxed. If you're buying silver, and you're buying generic silver like this for stacking, you want to try and get it as cheap as you possibly can. Like I said, I paid 29 cents over spot per ounce, so not a bad deal for all of this. I did buy it from another member of the community. He is a friend of mine, and we've corresponded back and forth quite a bit. I would not recommend buying a private party unless you know the person or you're very comfortable testing the silver yourself, making sure it's all real. I got to test all this, make sure it's all real and legitimate, which I'm sure that it is. So if you're making large purchases, I would always recommend going through a local coin shop or from a trusted online bullion dealer, such as SD Bullion, or there are a bunch of other ones out there as well. If you want to see a fun video of me going through a bunch of silver rounds and looking for rare or vintage ones, I will put a card up in the corner. That's a really cool video. Definitely check it out. I will put a link in the description down below. And also, I just wanted to say that I appreciate everyone watching my videos. I love making videos about silver and gold, doing unboxings and things like this. So I would appreciate everyone smashing that thumbs up. That really helps me out. And feel free to leave a comment down below as well. I always take the time to try and reply to every single comment that people leave. It's important to me to interact with you all here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I am on Instagram, so definitely check me out there as well. I do have a link down below. And lastly, I just want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.